Hi everyone, my name is Tia Arsila. My ID number is 122328086. I'm studying in BPD University. I want to talk the economic impact of Sumatra fall recently. In 2025, major floods struck Sumatra causing serious economic loss. Infrastructure was damaged, business activity were disrupted, and thousands of people lost their livelihood. The fall, affected provinces such as Aceh, North Sumatra, and West Sumatra. Thousands of homes were submerged, infrastructure was damaged, and economic activity came to a halt. Major roads were cut off, supply chains disrupted, and public services were unable to function normally. Infrastructure damage became one of the most significant economic impacts. Whereas highway, school, and healthcare facilities suffer destruction. The Indonesian government estimates that billions of dollars are required for rehabilitation and reconstruction. The agriculture and small business sector were among the hardest hit due to crop failures and business closures. The government was forced to call large budget for recovery and reconstruction. The 2025 Samudra Falls serve as reminder that these natural disasters have long-term economic impact, making prevention and environmental management essential for the future.